Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the drain hose on your top load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need full access to the back of your washer. You'll probably need to remove your inlet fill hoses, so be sure to turn off both the hot and cold water faucets. We'll also need to disconnect the power, so be sure to unplug the washer, pull it far enough forward that we can get full access, and then we can do the repair. Now that we have full access to the back of the washer, our next step will be to remove the existing clamp that holds that drain hose in place. So using a pair of pliers, we'll simply squeeze that clamp together, slide it up onto the hose. Now with the clamp pulled up on the hose, our next step will be to twist that hose just to break the bond between the hose and the actual drain outlet. Now chances are there's some water in here, so have something to collect that. Now with the hose removed, we're next going to take that clamp completely off of the hose and we'll use it on our new one. We can discard the old hose. So our next step will be to slide that clamp onto the new hose. Next, we'll fit it down onto that drain outlet. And push it all the way down until it reaches the preformed stop. Then we'll reposition that clamp. There are a couple of ribs on the end of that hose that indicate the clamp should fit in that area. Now there is also a clamp that is supplied with that hose. We'll fit that on the outlet end. And once you've lined up in which direction you want that elbow to fit, we'll simply place that clamp down in that area to hold it in place. Now we're ready to push the washer back into position and reconnect our fill hoses. Now that we've reconnected our inlet fill hoses, we've turned on the faucets and make sure we have no leaks. We'll reconnect the drain hose to the outlet, plug the washer back in, and your repair is complete.